This is a two-part stretch for your calf because we have two muscles that we're trying to get to. One is your soleus. That's the large, meaty part that gives the shape for the calf, and it's a little deeper in. And then we have the gastrocs, which is more the outside muscle that just kind of smooths out, so you don't see the two heads of the soleus underneath. That's the gastrocs above. So in order to stretch the soleus of her left leg, Emily's going to just take a simple step forward with her right leg and take a bend into the left knee. Now, her leg likes to go out a little bit, so we're just going to adjust it in. Ideally, you want the knee coming over the longest toe there, and that makes sure that you're getting both heads of the soleus straight on. When one's tighter than the other, the body likes to twist and shift a little bit just to take the easier path, and we want to prevent that. So make sure that the knee is coming over that longest toe and that your foot's coming straighter in. And that's for the soleus. You're going to hold that for a good 60 to 90 seconds. It's not going to feel like an intense stretch for most people. You're going to be sitting there wondering why I have you do this useless stretch, but I promise, keep it up for about 2 weeks on a regular basis, a few times a day, and that those soleus muscles are going to blossom open. And that's going to bring back the spring in your step, and if you're a runner, it's going to give you a much better wind as well because it helps pump the blood back up through the body. It's also known as the second heart. The second part of this stretch is for the gastrocs. Now the gastrocs needs to be stretched with the leg straighter and with an angle. So the table's a nice easy way to show it. Ideally you'd have a surface that was able to cover your whole foot, so you just take any wall. And it's just a nice easy stretch. Try to keep your body nice and loose. Don't take a hard position on anything. And you're just leaning in, and just that angle there is going to get a nice stretch for the gastrocs. We do this one straight-kneed because the gastrocs comes up higher. We do the soleus with a bent knee because it's connected lower down and can't get a good stretch if the leg is straight because the gastrocs will prevent it. Again, 60, 90 seconds. This one you might feel a little bit sharper. It doesn't need to be a hard stretch. Nice and gentle is the way to go with this.